Today I rate ringtones on your SC100, a smartphone and a shit in FL Studio. I'll play it for you. I wish you just nice thing that hearing this shit. Haha. Let's get it. Shitty mans. I think that your phones are so fucking nice and shitty. Yeah, I love it. Let's get it. Shit. Today, I will listen to Nokia's smartphone ringtone with various instruments. Okay, let's get it a nice munch. Oh wait, I don't have an answer for that. See? Though, the shit was happened. Nokia phone is so shitty nice. Hey, do you have an answer for that shit? Sorry, I will shut up and let's hearing this shit. Let's make a music a frickin' nice beat. I just wanted to the shit of beats makes, so just like that unbelievable shitty beat of music. Let's get it. Oh wait, I don't decided music tempo yet. Let's decide the frickin' tempo of the music shit.
I was wondering what it would be like to make a Tetris with FL Studio. So I prepared. I think that shit was BAAAAAAD, FERK. Let's get it, Morgland shitters.